what now the Petrol is looking at to ensure that we have more components which enhance the Make in India element in all the equipment that we have. I have with me Mr. Soni, and Ismamanico is a company which is now looking at a big avenue in semiconductors and chip production in Karnataka, in India, and looking at how several key components that are needed have these Indian things. Sir, as far as this important import substitution is concerned, can you tell us the plan ahead as far as this Ismamanico is concerned?
So ISMO Micro, we are involved in IC semiconductor packaging for very complex applications like aerospace, missiles, radars, especially in defense, and also of course telecom and industrial. But in defense we have already done a lot of import substitution, especially for the LCA project, and the chips are already on board the aircraft, Mark 1, Mark 2, they are tested and they are flying. And similarly we are doing a lot more projects for HAL and others, for some chips to be put on some sensors and chips to be put on the Sukhoi aircraft which were earlier being imported. So these are all projects which have taken us 2 to 3 years to do, but eventually we have been successful.
So to look at these things like in a very small thing, but the fact is that key elements as far as import substitution is concerned, and also to be able to enhance productions of HAL. How vital is this role that you are doing for?
We are all doing our little bit for the country. What we are doing is giving them a very easy access in India to buy in rupees what they were importing from foreign countries. We give local warranty, local support, so it's much easier if something goes wrong for them to get it repaired. But the main thing is that we are building up local capability in semiconductor packaging in India for defense.
In your other hat that you wear of cartridge production, how is that in terms of a market? And we now increasingly hear about the rise of that and the Indian ammunition system.
Yes, on the ammunition side we have actually indigenized several ammunition for the Indian Army, the 338 Lapua Magnum Sniper, the 760 to 54 Sniper ammunition for the Dragunov, and several others. And we are seeing a very good response from the Indian side. Of course, our main market is exports. We are now exporting 90% of our production to 23 countries. This year our exports will cross 200 crores of ammunition, which is for the first time in the history of the country that small caliber ammunition to this extent is being exported. And we have received US DOD approval for supply to the US Army also, which is a very prestigious certification for the company.
So you're talking about export. Export is key thing. Even Mr. Rajnath Singh gave thrust to the fact that we should be looking at more exports. What is the kind of support that companies like you are looking at from the government to be able to take this forward?
We are looking at easing the policy issues which we face. We come under 3 different ministries: Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Defence and Ministry of Commerce. So we have to keep shuttling between the 3, and that everything takes months for us to get any licenses, any permissions. So we have been repeatedly asking them for companies like ours who are of a very large size, you need to streamline this whole policy matter and make it very simple, especially for export oriented units. We should not be subject to so many hurdles at every stage when we are earning valuable foreign exchange for the country, especially in defense.
So that's Mr. Sanjay Soni for you, who is talking about the fact that import substitution is one element boosting exports. The second element that he's got his eyes focused on. Vijay Grover for Indian Aerospace and Defense Limited.